Hello, everyone. Hello. Good evening. Good evening. Happy Thursday night. Happy Thursday night. Welcome to Forex Talk Over Beer, another Forex Talk Over Beer. So yes, we moved from Friday to Thursday. So it's second week in a row. Obviously, we're trying to build back the audience. So make sure to smash that like button. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click the like button. Make sure to activate notification, and that's it. All right. So the concept of this show is pretty simple. We're just gonna be talking, chilling about forex. We're gonna analyze some. We're gonna analyze some charts. Sorry. We're gonna break down some winning trade, losing trade, answer question, whatever you guys want to talk about, we'll talk about. Okay. But for that to have a nice, smooth conversation, I highly recommend you to go grab a drink. Right. So I actually grabbed a nice IPA here. Was it? This one is 6.4%. So that should be pretty good. So if you're watching the replay, obviously, if you're watching the replay, it's in the morning. Make sure to grab something, maybe orange juice, maybe mimosa, maybe, I don't know, whatever. Grab something to drink. We're gonna do a little cheers, and we're gonna get going. So make sure again to grab your drink, and as you come in, make sure you say hello in the chat. Let me know where you guys are from. If you're new to the channel, I want to know. I'm curious. And again, we are building back the audience, going from like hundreds of people, thousands sometimes, and now from scratch. That's how it is with YouTube. We got George here. George, what's up, George? George, how you doing? Hello. So yeah, we got that beer, but I did a mess. Look at this. Ew. I did a mess. Yeah, we're gonna get started soon. Can we get some more here? There we go. Perfect. Okay. Damn. All right, guys. So we're gonna do the cheers in 3, 2, 1. Cheers, guys. That's actually pretty good. That's actually really good. Okay. So now we are armed with our beer, so we're good to go for a nice Forex talk over beer. Okay, sweet. Let's move on. Whoa, wrong screen. There we go. Perfect. Put this big. Here we go, my friend. Let's start with GJ. All right. So GJ, I didn't mark this down, but I took another dogtail setup this morning. It was really quick. And I was running to a meeting, so I actually exited at 13 pips. So that one was a really in and out. But let's discuss this one first, okay? Because this one, holy. Actually, yeah, I marked it down. It's right here. Okay, great. Perfect. Let's go back to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, cool. So first thing first, if you were on the live stream on Tuesday morning, you knew what was going on. You fucking knew. And if you didn't make money on this, shame on you, okay? Because everything was given out, okay? I mean, we explain that pullback right here inside the gold. It was like, guys, I cannot make this up. Go watch the replay, okay? Go watch the replay from Tuesday morning, and you'll see I draw this freaking arrow on Tuesday morning, okay? So we knew that once under this, we're going for a pullback inside that daily golden zone. Because if you look on the daily time frame, look at this. Look, we straight up, we got our small body candle indicating like the movement is getting tired over there. So we're going to push down. We got our nice engulfing candle. Boom. Going to retest previous major QP 169, daily golden zone. And I said, if we do break under the safety net, not the safety net, sorry, the major QP, we're going to come retest the second area of interest, which is right here, which is a previous resistance structure that was broken and never retested yet. So that's exactly what happened. We went up, boom, and look at this wick. Look at this wick. Exactly where we actually called that. So, man, this cannot be more precise than this, okay? I'm not saying the move is done yet. We might continue a little lower because we might go directly to this. But the wick actually did the retest already. If we see now the structure break into the upside on the 4 hour, now we're going to go back up. But for now, we're still bearish on the 4 hour. Okay. But anyways, so if you look at this, here, we went here, we create a new high. This is our new low that needs to be broken to go bearish. Boom. We did break here. And what happened? We broke the low here and we melted. Okay, so this is the H4 dogtail setup, and I discussed that. And guys, make you come. Rewind this. The Frenchie's trying to speak too fast. Chill out. Have a sip. Okay. So what I was saying is, make sure when you come in, you click this like button. Make sure you like this so we can spread the word to other traders that needs help. Okay, because if you're not helping me, the algorithm's not going to help me either. Okay, so I need your help, guys. Okay, so now let's go back to this. So the 4 hour candle, what I waited for the top wick to be created. And once we broke the low here, this is where I got in, and I used a fixed 15 pips stop loss, and wham. Okay, my first TP was here to fill this wick. So I got out on one position. And the second position, I let it run in full. And at one point, I can't remember how many pips it was. It was like probably like around like 60, 70 pip. I did close 50%, let the rest run. Or maybe it was like before that. I can't remember. But long story short, my final TP was 80. Yeah, 80. Just above 80 pick. It was, I think, honestly, on the MT4, I think it was 78 or 79 exactly. And what happened here is we went to like 90 some pips, and we start to retrace back up. I'm like, you know what? It was supposed to be a scalp. Don't be freaking greedy here and get out. And I did get out. And, yes, it didn't melt. But at the time, I was pretty happy with the exit. Because if you look here where I exited, look at how long the price played exactly in this area. And I got out on this wick here on this 30-minute. Once it pulled back here, this is where I got out. And I was pretty happy at the moment because, I mean, look at this. It played down here. Boom, boom, came back. But yes, after that, it did melt. But I'm happy, dude. It was a scalp. It was supposed to be like a 30 pip win, and it ended up like being 80. So I'm pretty happy with that. This one was really quick. This one, I was actually aiming at 15, 20 pips. And this stop is not right. I use always a fix. I just put it there just to remember this morning, but I need to check my MT4 to have the exact entry. I can't remember the exact entry, but it was on the break of H4 high, where it was right here. Yeah, right here. On the break of this high, and I grabbed, I think it was like 13 pips if I'm not wrong, and I got out. I was late, and the move was trying to play, and it pushed up, and after that, it kind of retraced back down and came back up. And I'm like, you know what? Let me get out. Because when you take that kind of move, it's an impulse move. So especially like at that time of the day, which is NY open, with the volume, you expect price once it breaks the high, that just to shoot up. It might come down a little bit, to go up. But now I was like playing like back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I'm like, nah, I don't like this. Every time I saw that in the past, ending up like going against me. And thank God I did got out at 13 pips. Yes, it was not a big win, but it was a win. And thank God, because after that, it just went against me. So yeah, pretty happy with that. Cheers, guys. So the first one was not a quick one, but it was a quick one in the fact that it happened fast with the volume. But this one, I was like out in like, I don't know, a couple minutes. The other one, I kind of stayed in the trade for at least, when was that? So at least like I got in here, so 30 minutes, an hour, so an hour or so, so something like that. Okay, so now what's next for GJ? Okay, so now GJ is at a very interesting place, okay, for a swing. So if you look at the weekly time frame, so the weekly time frame is bullish, right? So the weekly time frame is bullish, but we might have a full pullback here. So it's either we're going to stop at the daily area of interest where I showed you just before, or we might see this to come retest here to go up. Okay, so that's very possible. And the way we're going to find out is really simple. It's with the daily. Okay, so daily right now, if we see the next candle closing bullish, let's say bullish engulfing, we'll know that we're probably going to go back up at that time, right? Especially that right now we are right at a major QP. We are inside the daily golden zone. So there is a big chance for price to go up, but we might continue down, like I said, because we might see a full retest, not full retest, but a bigger pullback on the weekly. Now, if you look at a 4-hour time frame, one I want to get in is once H4 is going to go bullish, I'm going to know there's a big chance that we're done with this bearish movement here. Okay, so if you look here, price went bearish here. Boom. So I need price to go break above here, come down to go up. Okay, so basically that's what I'm going to be waiting for, the swing on GJ. Okay, not complicated, pretty simple. Any question about that? Let me know. It's pretty simple, nothing crazy. Now let's go check GU. Okay, GU, yo, this one, I said it on IG just a couple minutes ago on Instagram. This, I am so mad because this, I didn't took that one live. It was a paper trade. But this was the exact place. I actually put it as it was playing out. I put the entry if I was trading, okay? But the reason why I didn't took that trade, it's because it was FOMC that day. I was like, you know what? Fuck it. I don't want to get out. I don't want to be getting out by the wick or spread, because FOMC sometimes can be wild. So I'm like, nah, you know what? I'm gonna stay out. And the idea here, because I want you to see, because this is perfect example on what you should be looking for. Okay. So all right. So if you go to the weekly, okay, the weekly is bullish. Okay, weekly is bullish. We broke resistance here. Here we broke resistance, so you want to see price push up and come down, retest. Look at those wick. We came down to retest. Perfect. Now if you go down on the daily time frame, look at this. So we got the retest, boom. Now daily went bearish, so you need the daily to go bullish again, okay, before taking this trade to the upside. Do you guys realize that here we were bullish, here we close under here, we become bearish, so this is bearish, bearish, and boom, now we closed above here, so now we're bullish. So now what you want is you want to pull back, which is also the retest of previous structure that was broken inside a golden zone, daily golden zone. Perfect. All right, so now once we got this is mini confluence. All right, so now you go check the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame went, this one was bullish here. All right, actually not, it's not an elbow, whatever. I'm gonna place that one as an elbow. And came here, boom, boom. We finally went bullish. Actually, this one was bullish all day. Hold on, wait a second, because we didn't broke that low here. Yeah, we didn't broke that low. Yeah, so that's why. Okay, sorry guys. So here we didn't broke that low, so we're still bullish here. So that's perfect. This is perfect. We got to pull back here. So now what you want the lower time frame that went bearish to go bullish. Okay. So once we broke above here, sorry, let me grab an arrow. What's going on with my screen now? What? Hold on, give me one sec here. There we go. Perfect. Arrow, perfect. Okay. So once we went bullish here, you wait for the pullback. Bullish engulfing candle on the 30-minute. This was 9 a.m. Eastern. This was perfect. I was like, shit, this is the perfect setup. But FOMC was in the afternoon. I was like, oh man, I don't know. I chickened out. To be honest, I just chickened out, and I will not do the same next time, because this was just perfect. You know, like a couple pips under the support. Because if we do break this, we're going bearish. So if I get stopped, it's because I'm really wrong. So couple pips under here, and you know what? It went like 6-1 on that one. Just fuck. You know, I feel like crying on this one. But cheers. All right, so let's see. I think George has a comment here. I've not taken a trade this month. I only took a few last month. I'm really trying to get my strategy right before I'll go all in. Yeah, yeah, that's perfect, George. That's perfect. To do a step back sometime just to make sure you're good, and after that you go full force. I did that. I did that a couple of times in the past. You know, do a step back. Make sure analysis. Do some paper trades, do some anything you need to do, to make sure that your strategy is working. Perfect. But yeah, this kind of setup, man, perfect, 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 perfect. So yeah, I really feel like crying on this one, but it is what it is. All right, so now let's go check Euro AUD because I think I got an alert. Let me check. I received some alerts while I was driving. Let me see, guys. Let me see, because I think we got couple setup that are about to play out. Not that much. We got USD CAD. USD CAD. Where is USD CAD? USD CAD here. Perfect. Okay. So, oh shit. Okay. So perfect. What's going on with my trading view? It's so weird. So funky. I'm losing my. I don't get it. Where's my time frame here? What's going on? What did I do? Let me close trading view for 1 second. Leave page. Let's reopen it. Sorry, guys. I don't know what's going on. No, super chart. What the fuck? Super chart? Yeah, they changed that. Okay, here we go. Now we're back. Okay, so sorry about that. All right, USD CAD. Okay, so USD CAD daily. If you look, we are bullish. Okay, we are bullish on the daily. We are bullish on the weekly. 4 hour. All right, so 4 hour went bullish here. Okay, so once we broke here, I kind of messed up on this one. I should have taken an entry here, but whatever. So when we pushed here, it wants, no, actually, the reason why is because I didn't have any entry. I remember now. So we broke this. We went bullish. So I said, all right, I'm going to wait for price to pull back here around this area. So I marked this down like maybe a day ago. Marked this down. I said, all right, I'm going to wait for the pullback to go back up. Okay. But now looks like that's going to be a no-go. Let me see. Let's clean this. Okay. So now if you look here, all right. So price, boom, boom. Did we close under here? So at the moment, we are still bullish. But if this next 4 hour candle do close under here, we're going to go bearish. So it all depends on this candle here. If this candle closed bullish, we might wait for the 1 hour or the 30-minute to go bullish and take that trade to the upside. So right now, the 30-minute is bearish, 1 hour is bearish. So I'm going to wait for the 30-minute to go bullish. So yeah. So USD CAD can be a good play. We got GA, I think that was really close to happen. So let's see here. Yeah, so nice pullback here on the daily. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. We draw that, I think, on the live session on Tuesday. So when we broke here, I was expecting price to come down, retest previous structure, go in the golden zone. We actually did. We get a nice wick. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. So 4 hour was bearish here. And now we are bullish. Okay, great. Awesome. So the 4 hour is bullish now. Okay, this is exciting. Let's see here. Ooh, we did broke the safety. Did we close under this? Okay, same thing here. So same thing here. This 4 hour candle, this one right here. So this one right here, if it closed bullish or doesn't close under the support, we are still good to go to the bullish side. So got to be waiting for this one. And after that, I'm going to do the same. I'm going to go on the 30-minute, wait for the market structure break, and take it to the upside. So GA is about to happen pretty soon. NZDGPY, what was that? Oh yeah, yeah. I lost 1% on that one. I was like, what was that? Yeah, lost 1% on that one. So let me show you. That's very important. I was a little too early on that one, and I'll show you why. Okay, so here's a weekly time frame. All right, so the weekly is. Oh, that was one of the other problem I had is the weekly was not bullish yet. So we did broke, but we didn't close above. Yeah, so that's a major mistake I did. Now, if you look at the daily, though, daily looks super nice. We had the break of structure. All right, so going bullish. We had the pullback, dipped inside that golden zone, retesting daily area of interest. So this was perfect. 4 hour went bullish. Yeah, 4 hours bullish right here. So we broke above that and went on the lower time frame. If you look on the 30 minute. So 30 minute, if you look here, yeah, so this is good, this is good. So we became bullish here. Yeah, so we became bullish here by breaking this. Okay, so we became bullish here. We got the pullback, and if you look on 1 hour or 30 minute, whatever, you got your engulfing right there. So that's why I took the entry right here. Okay, so and well, this is not the right stop, obviously, but yeah, stop was like somewhere around there, which was under the support and was going for a 3 to 1, but yeah, so I did this very, very quick yesterday. Not yesterday, but this morning. Um, but I think I should have waited for first the weekly. I just realized that the weekly didn't close bullish, so that's one of my mistake here. But I should have waited for this because I had this alert placed on. H1 going bullish. Okay, so I had this placed on, and I should have waited for this because if you look, the 30 minute went bullish, but the 1 hour, if you look here, the 1 hour is still bearish, right? So the 1 hour here is still bearish because we didn't broke that. So I should have waited for that. So I think I was like a little not anxious, but I think I was too quick on this. I should have waited for the break of structure on H1. The 30 minute was not that clean and clear, so I should have waited for the 1 hour. The 1 hour was super clean. I should have waited for that. But hey, it is what it is. You win some, you lose some. The important thing is you got to make sure that your winner is always bigger than your loser. That's for sure. Cheers, guys. Let's see here. Do you always wait for lower time frame to shift from bearish to bullish if you're looking for buys? Yes. Yes, totally. I want my weekly, daily in H4 to go to be bullish. But most of the time, to be able to enter into H4 higher low, your lower time frame is going to go bearish. And okay, let me show you an example. Okay, so here, let me grab this. So let's say to have this, let's grab an example somewhere, whatever. I think here is, yeah, perfect. Here, this is a pretty good example. All right, so no, actually, this is not a good example. All right, so this is a good example. So here, the pullback here on an H4, you need your 30 minute to go bearish, right? So your 30 minute now is bearish. Do we all agree on this? How do you know that the bearish movement will stop? It just can't. It can continue to go. If you don't wait for the 30 minute to go bullish or the 1 hour to go bullish, this can just continue to go like this. But once we break here, we come down, retest, bam. Now we can go back up, right? So that's the reason why now I do wait for the market structure switch on the lower time frame. Get in tag, Sasha. Been a while. My G, hope you're doing great. Hey, man, what's up, Kessim? Ça va bien? How you doing, buddy? Yeah, it's been a while. Backtesting is king. Totally. Backtesting is super important. But you want to make sure you don't over backtest either, because sometimes I think that in some way I think I did a lot of maybe too much backtesting at one point. It kind of takes the the willingness to be taking the trade away, kind of. I don't know if we can say that, but anyways, I'm currently paper trading USD GPY. I want to add it, but need to collect data first. Yes, sure, man. USD GPY is pretty good. It's not too quick, so it's pretty good. How many pairs are you looking at these days, Dan? I still scalp GJ and gold, sometimes G, but it's been a while. And for swing, you have no choice to look at many pairs because you cannot wait. Let's say you trade only one or two pair on swing. There's some setup. I waited like 8 weeks before to take the trade. So if I only trade that pair, I'm gonna be 8 weeks without trading, which doesn't make sense. But yeah, that's why I'm looking at more pair now these days. Sasha, do you have a Discord? No. Yes, I do, but for student. Yeah. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, so now let's move on. And if there's other question, feel free to ask, guys. Always my pleasure to answer those. Okay. Let's see. What else? We talked about NZD GPY. We talked. So now, yeah. By the way, this trade, I'm probably gonna give it a second try once we break structure. But now I need to be careful because I want to check back again weekly. So this weekly candle, boom. Yeah, we bearish. Yeah. So I got yeah, I did a mistake here. I thought it was closed, but it wasn't closed. So yeah, so I might take that trade a second chance, but probably just intraday, not swing. But if we do break above here and close above for next week, it's gonna be beautiful. Now let's say Euro AUD. Whoa. Okay. Weekly bullish, daily bullish. This is beautiful. This is also very, very beautiful. So if you look here, we got a nice retest of previous structure inside H4, which is also probably a daily golden zone. Also, let me check, but I think so. Yeah, really close to it. It's part of it. It's the daily golden zone. We actually in it. So yeah, that's pretty good. I like when the golden zone aligned with previous structure. It's just for me an added confluence. I like this. Here's the H4 golden zone. Let's see. Is that right? Is that right? No, that's not right at all. The fuck? Wait a second. This is right here. Bam. And we are right now at the safety net. Okay. But we are inside that daily golden zone though. So this is pretty good. But now H4, boom, boom. H4 is bullish. All right, great. So H4 is bullish. We are at the safety net. So we need to see clean sign of rejection. I love this doji. So that's for me, it's a pretty good sign of rejection. Here 2 hours, 1 hour. Okay, 30 minutes. All right, cool. So yeah, need the 1 hour, the 30 minute to go bullish, and I think that would be nice because the 4 hour is still bullish, right? 4 hour is still bullish. Yep. 4 hour still bullish. Yeah, that makes sense. Perfect. And the daily golden zone. Just want to double check something. Yeah, we're right in it. Okay, perfect. Yeah, Euro AUD looks pretty nice, guys. So hopefully you're taking some notes because this looks pretty good. Euro GPY. Yo, Euro GPY went wow. What the fuck? Okay, so here we got the pullback on the weekly. Weekly is bullish. Daily is bullish. We got the pullback right here. Are we? Yeah, we rejected the safety nets. Okay, but we did broke under here. Well, look at 4 hour. 4 hour broke a golden zone. We broke under here. So we respected the support here. So if we start to push back up, yeah, sure. So Euro GBY might be interesting also. It's not as clean as the other one, but it might be nice also. CAD GPY. CAD GPY was really nice this morning, but I think it's kind of fucked up now. With NFP tomorrow, it's kind of it's kind of wild. This week is wild, This week is really wild. Cheers, guys. Oh, let me check the message here. Let's see. Okay, I hear you, bro. Yeah. Anyway, bro, it was great listening to you, and we'll try and tune in more often. Take care. Hey, thank you very much, Kasim. Thank you. Take care, buddy. Thought on GJ on the high time frame. I'm waiting for price to return bullish to back it up. I'm happy to sit out if it sells. Yeah, now I'll show. I think we talked about it, but we're gonna go back to GJ. Yeah. Actually, let's do it now, and we're gonna be wrapping this up. So GJ, this is what I have on GJ since here. Since we hit this, I was like, all right, we're gonna have a full pullback here, and maybe gonna retest the structure and to go back up. So we are right at it right now. We are right at this area where we can go back up, or again, if this weekly, it all depends, because if this weekly close bearish, that's gonna change everything. But as right now, the daily makes sense, so we can pull back, which means this weekly is gonna flip bullish. Okay. So yeah, so basically waiting for the H4 to go bullish. So I need H4 to go bullish to be able to buy back. So that's what I'm thinking. Right now, H4 is bearish. So yeah, that's about it. Let's see. Other questions? Kasim. Anyway, bro. Okay, perfect. Answer that. Okay, cool. I'm up to date on the questions. Let's see one last one, or maybe two more. Let's see. Euro GPY, CAD GPY. Talk about NZD CAD. Let's see. Weekly. Wow, we reject this like on the dot, on the fucking dot. You on that major QP, boom, rejected hard. Holy. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily is bullish now. Are we? Oof. Yeah, just above. Okay. So actually, no. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, we were. Yo. Oh, okay. I'm waiting for this. Okay. I'm waiting for the pullback on H4. I'm waiting for the higher low. Here, that's why I placed an alert there, because I didn't know where. So that's why I actually put this alert as a potential higher low on H4, because that's where I want to buy. I want to buy at a H4 higher low. So yeah, I need this pullback here. So NZD CAD looks pretty nice. Weekly, daily looks nice. H4 is bullish, but I need a pullback. But when I placed this wasn't created. So we'll see. USD CAD, we talked about it. USD CAD, we talked about it. Yeah, I think the rest is USD GPY. Oh yeah, let's do USD GPY. What we got here. So USD GPY, weekly time frame. Here. Okay. So here we're bullish now. We broke that. Boom, boom. Yeah, we're bullish. So we're bullish here. We got the daily retest here. Boom. We got a daily retest. We got a small body candle as a daily candle. We respected that support. Are we the safety net? Let's see. So we are right at the safety. Look at this. I cannot make this up, dude. It's crazy how this safety net is well respected. Super often. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour is bearish. So I need the 4-hour to go bullish. So basically, I need the 4-hour to go here, come down, go up. So basically, I'm going to place an alert here. I'm going to say H4. going bullish. What? Bullish. There we go. ED-CAD. I think ED-CAD now is still bearish here. Yeah, still bearish. Actually, we're bearish because we didn't broke that high, we didn't broke that low, so we're still bearish. Weekly is bearish. 4 hour needs to go bearish now to be able to take a sell. Okay, so not nice. NZD USD. That's the last one I'm going to look at. Let's see here. We got a double bottom here, breaking the neckline of the weekly. Daily is now bullish. So we need a pullback on the daily, which can coordinate here. We need that pullback also on the 4 hour. Boom. Actually, no, this push, from this push to this push. Yeah, somewhere around here. That would be pretty good. Here we go. H4 golden zone, which is also in confluence with this previous structure. Cool. So I'm actually going to place an alert here. Entering H4 GZ. Here we go. Bam. Yo, we're good. Excellent. Hey, man, I talked way too much in that episode. Whew, jeez, almost not drink. Cheers, guys. Let's see. Yeah, okay, we talked about that. Yeah, this week on GJ will most likely close bear. I need the day chart to show bullish structure. On GJ, you said? Yeah, on GJ. On GJ, the daily is still bullish. Yeah, we're bullish. The trend is bullish. That's just whoops. This is just a pullback. What the fuck? There we go. So this is just a pullback. Yeah. Yeah, waiting for the pullbacks and yeah, totally. Yes, UJ needs better structure on the yeah, it doesn't look super nice right now. All right, guys. Let's see here. Oh, boom, boom. Here we go. Woo. All right, guys. So again, thank you very much for being here tonight. This is another Forex Talk Over Beer. I'm going to be live again on Tuesday morning. Live session around 7:30 a.m. ish. You know, I don't like now these days having like schedules. Like I show up when I show up. You know, just like fuck it. I'm doing that for you, but I don't like to have schedule anymore. So around 7:30 ish. So make sure you activate notifications so you'll know once I go live. Okay. You can also follow my IG. Always post when I go live. Yeah. And again, thank you so much for being here tonight. And cheers. Enjoy the night and trade safe. Tomorrow it's an FP. Do not do stupid shit, please. Keep your account safe and trade safely. All right. See you on Tuesday, guys. Take care.